Hello, Chamberlain. Welcome to Champion Finance. Because Champion Finance is developing and we are attracting many new investors and many new users. So the team has decided to have a series of instruction videos for new users. And the first video is about farm. A farm is where to start for all new investors. It plays a very critical role for project um, by providing liquidity. It contributes to the stability and sustainable growth of the project. So we suggest all new investors start by farming. Yeah, you can click here or click here to see. Sorry, you need to connect your wallet first. I'm using MetaMask. Okay, connected. Total farm. We have three pools here: AVIC USDC, CHAM USDC, and AVIC CHAM pools. Yeah, at the time of recording, the daily APR for AVIC USDC pool is 2.28%. For CHAM USDC pool, it is 6.11%. And for AVIC CHAM, it is 6.49% a day. Okay, so you can see stack here, but before you can stack, you need to have LP. So go back to home page, scroll down here. We have three pools here, and we have jab in and jab out function. So click to jab in, choose whatever tokens that you have here, and I would choose USDC because I have USDC in my wallet. Yeah, it is the available USDC in my MetaMask. You can click next to use all of my USDC, or just put a number here. So I will put 30 here, and the jab estimation is here. It is number of LP. Please put your slip each at 0.1%. In case you cannot do it, increase it to 0.5%. Yeah, because I already approved USDC, so let's go. Yeah, you can see here unable to jab 50 USDC in a video USDC LP because of the slippage. So we should try to increase it. And increase to 0.5%. Let's go. Password. Okay, and edit the fee. Yeah, you can choose low to minimize your fee, but it's slower. Firm. Okay, wait for it to be done. Okay, so you can see it on snow trace here. 50 USDCs. So now you have LP. You have two options. You can go to farm and click to stake. Yeah, so now it is the plus button here, so just click to it. You can use max, but I will use half of it. Okay, confirm. So if you stake here, you want to earn chain rewards to put into Ballroom. I will talk about Ballroom in the next video. Yes, okay, so already staked. Just wait for it to be shown here. Okay, you can see it here. Stack, and if you earn any charm, it will be shown here. Or if you simply just want to increase your fund and don't have much time to take care of it, yeah, we have auto combo vaults on Magic and Eworth. You can see it here. Or you can go back home page, it's still here. Yeah, let's go to Magic Avic USDC. Yeah, you should connect your wallet. Okay, so in my wallet I still have this amount of LP. Yeah, the balance is here. So if you want to deposit all, you can click here, or just want to deposit a percentage, you can click here. Our specific number is here, so I will deposit all. Yes, so you may heard about this. Albert Einstein once said, "Marine truth is eighth wonder of the world." Confirm. So you can imagine how magic it is. Just put it here, and it is auto compile. Yeah, and your rewards, your LP will increase a lot. And deposit success, you can see deposited amount here. So you can reload the page. Yeah, yeah, you can see the balance is 0 and the deposit is this amount. Yeah, you can see the USDC amount here. So okay, so just leave it there and it will work for you. So the difference between Magic and Yieldwolf is that Magic supports the protocol by sending back 50% of the fee to the Burn wallet for manual buyback and Burn Epic when on the back. Yeah, so that's all about FAM. Enjoy farming and watch next videos for more instructions. Goodbye, family. See you next time.